So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find the drive we have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that drive and then click on Users. And now you want to find a folder with your username. You want to right click on that folder and then click on Properties. And then click on the Security tab and then click on the Edit button. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Add. And then click on Advanced. And then click on Find Now. Now you're going to scroll down till you find everyone. We're going to scroll down till we find everyone right here. You're going to click on this. And then click on OK. And then click on Check Names. And then click on OK again. And now you're going to select Full Control. You're going to tick this, which will now allow everything. And then click on Apply. If you get this, you're going to click on Continue on all of them that come up. So Continue. 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 And now that's been done. Now the problem should be fixed.